In today's rapidly evolving network landscape, the demand for skilled network automation engineers is on the rise. Are you ready to embark on a journey to become a proficient network automation engineer?
Let me introduce you to your Biitech Academy. We have seasoned instructors with over 15 years of experience in the IP networking domain who have managed and led network transformations in multiple organizations. By enrolling in our Network Automation Engineer course, you'll unlock a world of opportunities. For example, you are going to be able to master Python programming for network automation to streamline your tasks and increase your efficiency. You are also going to be able to learn version control with JIT to effectively manage your code and collaborate with others. You're also going to be able to gain an in-depth understanding of network protocols to troubleshoot and optimize your network performance. You are also going to be able to automate network devices using powerful libraries like Paramiko, Netmiko, Napalm, and Scraply. There are also labs and quizzes and assignments to reinforce their learning process. Now let's take a closer look at the modules covered in our comprehensive curriculum. In Module 1, we will teach the basics of Python programming language, and we will also introduce you to Python libraries, writing scripts, understanding variables, controlling structures, and leveraging JIT for version control and collaborative coding. In Module 2, we will focus on the overview of networking concepts and components, introducing common networking protocols, basic network troubleshooting, and we'll be covering in-depth understanding of protocols like TCP/IP, SNMP, and etc. Module 3 covers the introduction to Paramiko for SSH automation, basics of SSH protocol and writing scripts for automation, the advanced usage of Paramiko, the introduction to Netmiko library for network device automation, the configuration changes and template-based automation with Netmiko, and also an introduction to Napalm for network automation and configuration retrieval. In Module 4, we will focus on the overview of Scraply library for network automation, hands-on exercising and scripting with Scraply, an integration of all learned libraries, a development of a complete network automation solution for a simulated network scenario, and be able to present a final project presentation and code review. Are you ready to unlock your potential as a network automation engineer? Enroll in our course today and gain the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the dynamic field of network automation. Thank you for joining us and exploring the Network Automation Engineer course. Take the first step towards a rewarding career in network automation. Enroll now and embark on an exciting journey towards becoming a proficient network automation engineer.